Okay, hi to everybody. Alright, what we're going to do here, we're going to scrape for information from a website. Well, this one you don't have to use any programming language like Python or let's say a third-party application, or what you call this a paid application, just to get all the information from a table. All right. Okay, we're going to have an example like this one. All right. This one, there are tables. There are information. The information are right there: the name, the job title, the office, ministry, right, the email address. This only for, we're not going to, it's not intended to sell this information. We're just going to use it as an example. Okay, now this one, it has the name, the job title, office, and the department, or the ministry where this office is associated with. And the email, as you can see, is not in the form of an email address. But if you're going to hover your mouse, right, and right click on it, there's an option there to copy the email address. Okay, so I'm going to use a what you call this, a web scraper. All right, it's a Google extension to get all the information that we need. And the only downside of this web scraper is that you don't you cannot you cannot click a button if there's a button there to go to another page, right? To like this one, there's no phone number here, right? So there's an option to click on the button to go to a portion of the page to capture the phone number. Then this application or this Chrome extension is not your it's not your thing to use to scrape for those data. But if this application or this website that you're using has a next button or more button, right? As you can see, there's no next button here. There's no more button to scrape infinite or to infinitely scrape, right? Or to browse up to the lower portion of the screen, because this is the last information that you can get on this website. All right, but if there is a button, then you can click on it. All right, then let's go ahead and scrape for the information on this table. Okay, so I'm going to launch the application on the now to scrape for the table, right, or for the information from this table. Okay, as you can see, it's currently, all right, as you can see, it captured the name of the name of it, and then the title, the job title, the what you call that, it's the office, and then the ministry, and also the email address. As you can see, mail to. But you can also you can see that it is an email address. All right, and there also a portion there going to all right. As you can see there's a hidden what you call this tab, right? It says the what is the link of Anna Karen, right? Now you can save this table to a CSV file or CSV format or an Excel sheet. All right, to do that, you can before that, if, like I said, if there is a more button here or a next button here, you can also do that by clicking the next option, locate the next option, or you can do it the infinite scroll. All right, you just have to You just have to change the delay, right? So it will going to scrape up to the last portion of this page. Okay, but right now we're going to save the file to an Excel sheet, and to do that you have to click on this button. Okay, then you can put it ministry, right? That's it. It's there. All right. As you can see, there's no indication here. What is the row, right? You can type in name, title, office, ministry, email. All right. Now now you can just, if you don't need this portion of the table, you can just close it out. So you have all the information that you need. So I put the name, title, office, ministry, and email, so that when you scrape for another table on this site, I mean this information here will going to be preset. I mean it's already preset, right? Just wait for it. I'm going to close it out, right? I'm going to reload this page. All right, same table, okay, same information, right? I'm going to open the page or open the application. As you can see, the name, right? The name tab, the title, office, ministry, email are already there. All right, you can save it wherever you want, CSV. All right, as you can see, the file extension is CSV. Cancel it. Download it again, and as you can see, the file extension is XLSX. All right, it's for Excel sheet. Okay. All right, that's all. Thank you.